a-ssign definition, a-ssign in a sentence, a-ssign pronunciation, a-ssign meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of a-ssign. A-ssign. A-sign. A-ssign. A-ssign means to give a job or task, or to designate something for a specific purpose. Common usages in academic writing: assign a task, assign responsibilities, assign to. Example sentences: assign, verb. All students under the age of 10 were assigned to Group A, and all students of 10 years or older were assigned to Group B. Example sentence number 2, she was assigned 3 difficult tasks, but only completed 2 of them. The common academic writing variation is assignment, noun. Completed assignments can be submitted online via the class portal. Please write a sentence using a-ssign in the comment section. I will read it and reply. Now you can use a-ssign confidently in your research papers. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next research paper word video.